Here we will understand the entire menu options which we have in Excel. So the agenda here is to understand the Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab, Page Layout tab, Formula tab, Data tab, Review tab, View tab, and the Help tab. So let's first talk about the Home tab. So basically the Home tab is consists of various options which will help user to format and align the data. If you see here in the Home tab, we have various options like copy paste option is there, changing the font, the bold, italic, and we can change the colors as well. We can align the text, we can wrap the text, merge and center option is there, changing the data type. We have the conditional formatting options as well. We can have some insert and delete cells and other options of finding, sorting, and lot of options are coming in. So this is like the main tab which you will see once you open the Excel file. The next tab which we have is the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, you can see that we have various options like pivot table, recommended pivot tables, tables, pictures, and different shapes we can add. We can add different charts. We have some add-ins which we can add in the sheet. We have the option of slicers, timelines, and we can have some symbols and text also we can add in this particular from this particular tab. Next tab is basically the Draw tab. This is again one of the interesting tab where we can actually write something in the Excel file, and we have different color of pens which we have, and if something goes wrong while writing, we can have the eraser as well, which can help me to erase the content which we have written. Next is we have the page layout. In the page layout, we have the option of themes, margins, orientation, where we can change the shape of the paper, size, print area, we can see how much area will get printed, and the various options of setting the width, height, adding the grid lines, headings, putting the content backward or forward. All those options are coming in here. Next tab is the Formula tab. So this is again one of the very important tabs where you can see a lot of formulas of different types. Like you can see we have the financial formulas, logical formulas, text formulas, date and time formulas, lookup and references, math and trigonometry, and various different other formulas as well. We have some option of defined names where we can create the name ranges, and we have some other options of formula auditing and different calculations as well. Next option which we have is for the Data tab. In the Data tab, we have the various interesting options of connecting to the different data sources. We can have the data sorting option, filtering option. We can apply some advanced filtering options. We can remove the duplicates. We can do some data validations. We can do some interesting what if analysis and forecasting. And we can do some groups and ungroups and subtotals as well. Next is the Review tab. Basically, the main idea here is to check what you have done. You can do the spelling checks. You can have some checks of the accessibility. We have the smart lookup. We have some protection which we can do on the sheet level and the workbook level. So all these options are available. We can have some comments as well which we can put in the Excel. Next is the View tab, which is again basically helping you to understand how the page will look like. We can have a page layout, custom views, we can zoom the pages, we can have some window options, and we can actually create some macros as well. And finally the Help tab, which is basically if you have any doubts on Excel, you can actually contact the support from the Microsoft, which can help you on solving the problem. You can give the feedbacks, you can get some trainings, you can get the Excel blogs, which can be definitely helpful for you to understand the concepts of Excel. And there are the community as well where we can access and ask questions or maybe active on the community as well. Let's first of all check these options in the Excel as well. So here you can see that we have the home tab, where again we have seen all the options. We have the insert tab, draw tab, page layout tab, formula tab, data tab, review tab, view tab, and the help tab. So basically in this particular video, we have discussed about the various different tabs which we have in Excel, and what are options we have in the tab is what we have discussed. So I hope this makes sense. We'll see you in the next topic. Till then, take care.